Here's how to set up Google credentials in n8n. This is the most up-to-date method to connect your Google account to things like Sheets, Gmail, or Drive. Let's get started. First off, we are going to click into our Drive node and go into Create New Credential right here. We're going to ignore this for now and go straight into Open Docs. Now, n8n gives us these instructions, but they ended up being pretty complicated, so we are going to simplify this for you guys. We're going to go create our Google Cloud account. And then if you haven't created one, just click Start Free. And if you have, just go down here and go into log into your Google Cloud console. Once you're logged in, we're going to go click Open Project Picker up here and then select New Project so we can create a new project, right? And then we're just going to type in n8n demo and press Create. Easy as that. So once that's created, it takes a second. Now we're going to go click our project picker again, open that up, and select our n8n demo so we can go into that. Okay, now that we're in, we're going to go over here to the side menu, go under APIs and Services, select Enabled APIs and Services. Once we're into here, we're going to press Enable APIs and Services. Then we are going to search for the APIs that we want to activate. For example, we're going to activate Drive. And make sure it's not Drive labeled as API. Make sure it's the Google Drive API right here. Then we're going to enable that. And once that's loaded, we'll go Mail next. And then we'll go Docs. Google Docs API, enable that. And then we'll do lastly Calendar. And our Google Calendar API, enable that. Once these are enabled, we want to go and set up our OAuth consent screen. We're just going to click Get Started. Make it super easy. We're just going to type in n8n right here. And then our user support email should just be the email that you have set it up with. If you have a Google Workspace account set up, you can click internal. But if you don't and you're just accessing it through a Gmail, you click external. So we're going to select next. And then this is just your backup email address. Don't worry about this part too much at all. I'm just going to click next and then agree and continue, then create our project. Once that's created, we are going to select Create OAuth Client. That way we can get the client ID that we use in n8n. So for the name, I'm just going to select n8n demo, make it super easy. And then we don't need to do anything here, but we do want to add a redirect URI. So we're going to click Add URI. Then you ask yourselves, where do we get it from? We get it from right here. You just click to copy. They make it very, very easy for us. And then we copy and paste that in. Then go ahead and select Create. Awesome. Now we get our client ID right here. We're going to copy and paste that into n8n. And then that's good to go. And then we just click OK. And then we just need to grab our client secret from right here, copy and paste it over into here. So that will be good to go. It is going to say access, once we get logged in, it's going to give us access blocked. So to fix that, we want to go into audience over up on the left side and just select add user and type in the email that you signed up with. Super easy. We're just going to add ourselves as a test user. And then we're good to go right there. So now we're going to go back, sign in with Google, click into our account, and we're just going to press continue because we are the developer. So just press continue right there, select all. This just gives n8n access to all of those. And then our connection is successful. Awesome. So now we'll go back. Our connection is good to go. As you can see, the files are available. Then we're going to set up our docs. We are actually going to need to do the same thing for our docs right here, but it's easy because we've already done it. Now we just go back into clients and select that project. And again, very, very easy. Just copy and paste our client ID right there. And then copy and paste our client secret right here. And then again, just sign in with Google and run through all of this. Same thing, select all, continue, and our connection is successful. Now that is majority of everything that we have to do. Now all we need to do is just sign in here, and it's just a simple sign in. You just select your account and we're going to say continue, and then we're good to go. And then we're just going to go back in. It's all connected. And then we'll just do that with our calendar as well. And there we are, all connected. Let's just test this out really quick. I'm going to disconnect here and show you guys how it works. We have it all set up, ready to go. And this is my burn account. So we're just going to pick this from an old example and execute workflow. There we are. You guys are all set up, good to go with your Google credentials. I'm going to be building more n8n workflows. Please comment and subscribe. Comment any workflows you want to see me build. Any pain points for your industry would be super helpful. And I appreciate you guys. Hopefully you all have a great day. I'm Sebastian. This is Automation for Business. Happy building, guys.